Hi everyone. Mable has been spending a lot of time in the trees. I suspect it is cicada related. There are so many of them around this year that you walk under the trees, you're getting peed on. So the cats are going up into the trees to hunt. The fact that they can't see doesn't come into it. They are still going up in the trees.
Well done, Mable.
Mable is such a capable cat. When I think back to when her and Scoots first arrived, it was Mable. I mean, Scoots, for all his bravado and his confidence, he couldn't climb trees to start with, but Mable did. She was off and she was up and she was doing. But to look at her, she's usually on the ground chasing olives. They all have strengths and weaknesses. She wasn't the only cat in the tree. Trauma was around as well. So there's Trauma. Another confident, capable young lady. They're certainly having a lot of fun in the trees at the moment. Hope you've all enjoyed the video, everyone. There is more to come. I'm getting through them as I can, and we will see you all again a bit later.